Hello everyone, this is an advanced tourist guide system, a smart tool for travelers. I built this using Flask and genetic algorithms. It makes planning a trip easy by automatically finding the best places that fit your exact budget. Let me highlight the tech stack. The backend is powered by Flask and SQL Alchemy. I also integrated leaflet.js for mapping and a custom genetic algorithm for route optimization. To browse the locations, I must first log in. The system restricts access to registered users only. Once authenticated, the featured destinations appear. These are dynamically fetched from our database, showing real-time ratings and entry fees instantly. Here is Plan Your Trip. When I click on this, the Smart Planner opens. The core feature here is the Budget Optimizer. This addresses the real-world problem of cost management for tourists. In this, I enter my budget and select cities like historical and then generate the optimization route. Now these are the places that match the user's budget along with a smart description of all locations. The algorithm generates a personalized itinerary tailored exactly to my interest and constraints. For extra help, here is the AI chatbot. It uses natural language processing to understand my queries and reply like a real human guide. This ensures context awareness for better solutions. Now this shows the historical places. All the historical markers are fixed on the map. Now we will move to the Explore Map section. This is Explore Places. We use an interactive mapping API. When I filter by nature, the map updates instantly to pinpoint only relevant locations across India. I can view destinations using categories like history. It pinpoints history location. When I click on nature, it opens nature location similar to parks. When I click on the Golden Temple to view the location, the app integrates directly with the Google Maps API for seamless real-time navigation. Here we have to first log in, then we can explore the Google Maps location. When I click on nature, it opens location with the rating. Now the user can share their experience with a rating. It automatically calculates the distance and travel time from my current GPS location to the destination. The system calculates the live distance and time. Now we move back to the app. I will give an example of a review using the rating system. The review is now submitted. Now we will go back to our application. I will log out my user and log in to the admin page. Here I have already logged in as admin. The user email and password grant admin access. Now the admin page is open. This is a secure, password-protected dashboard designed for full control over the application's data. Here I view all registered users. I can manage accounts directly, deleting inactive or test users to maintain database hygiene. I can also edit places through this dashboard. We can add entry fees, addresses, images, and view feedback. We can also delete users. Finally, here is the Add New Place section. It allows me to expand our database without writing code. I simply fill this form and the new location goes live immediately. We verify the tool adds the place successfully. Now the place is added. We can view it in the user section. Now we will log out from the admin page. Now the login section is open again. So this is the overall working of the system. Thank you.